Alam mo ba na may tablet ngayon guys na 3.2K 144Hz display, Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, quad speakers with Dolby Atmos, 67 watts, fast charging with 8,800 plus mAh battery. Lahat ng yan under 30,000 pesos. This is the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro guys. Mukha siya bang high-end pero yung presyo niya mid-range lang. When it comes to performance, hindi lang siya pang Netflix, pang trabaho at pang gaming na rin. Unang feature again na nagustuhan ko guys is yung display guys. Again, 3.2K 144Hz, napakalino, napaka-smooth guys. Ang ganda talaga. Perfect from drawing, video editing, or pang binge-watching series in crispy detail. Pangalawa, the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, flagship level performance. Kaya kahit mag-Genshin Impact ka, CODM, ML, o kung ano pa yung gusto mong laruin guys, kayang-kaya. Pangatlo, the quad speakers with Dolby Atmos engineering. Ang lalim, malinis yung clarity guys, para ka may surround sound. But here's the catch. Wala siyang cellular SIM slot. So kung kailangan mo guys ng LTE, medyo pag-isipan mo muna bago mo to bilhin. At wala rin pala siyang kasamang stylus or keyboard in the box. Both sold separately. Pero for the price, hindi naman siya deal breaker. Lalo na kung Wi-Fi or sa bahay ka lang or sa office mo lang gagamitin tong Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro. So naghahanap ka ng tablet na pang creative work, school, content editing, at gaming na hindi babasag sa wallet mo or sulit talaga, the Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro is easily one of the best value tablets this 2025. So, by the way, meron tayong in-depth review nito guys sa YouTube. And yes, of course, meron tayong giveaway guys. Ano pa ba? Meron tayong Xiaomi Pad 7 Pro giveaway doon. So, panoorin mo na. Baka ikaw ng next owner ng flagship killer ng tablet na to.